Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman and Cat Kid, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 6. The Bark Knight Rises. Uh-oh! He's gonna jump on me! He's gonna lick my face! I can't take it! Spare me the indignity! Hey!
He's over here, Chief.
He's hiding behind that plant again.
What did you do this time?
Were you a bad doggy again?
Leave him alone! Everybody makes mistakes.
I don't know what happened, Dogman, but everything will be okay. Go home and get some rest. Tomorrow is another day. But then...
ADHD primary directive. Obey Li'l Petey.
Wait here for me, ADHD.
ADHD primary directive. Obey Li'l Petey.
Wait here for me, ADHD.
Oh, hi, Dogman. How's it going? Woo! Oh no! Is Li'l Petey missing again? We just saw him. He was with his nanny. What? What's wrong? Tell me. Okay, one word. First syllable. You have to pee? Second syllable. Are you drinking something? Coffee? Tea? The first syllable is P, and the second syllable is P. Petey? Are you telling me that Petey disguised himself as a nanny, and that he was mistakenly hired to babysit Li'l Petey, and at this very moment, he may be planning something evil, or plotting an act of corruption that may tear the very fabric of our society, and even when we speak, Li'l Petey may be drawn into his violence, causing him to doubt his own true nature, and create down a dark pathway toward a lifetime of nihilistic criminality? Is that what you're saying? Let's go save the world! This is where we just saw them.
But Dogman is banned from the set. Do not let this cop inside.
Okay, Dogman, we're gonna go find Chief. We must find another way to get inside.
Huh? Hey! So, you thought you'd dig a tunnel into the studio, huh? Looks like you popped up in the wrong spot. What an idiot. You're coming with me. Hey! Come back here! When I get my hands on you, you're gonna wish you were never born! Come on and show your face, you filthy animal! You mangy mutt! You dumb jerk! You dirty old flea bag! You glorified crossing guard! You cheese-faced water buffalo! You goofy-eyed snickerdoodle! Whoa! Hey! If I see that little dog-headed cop again, there's gonna be big trouble.